run massive workloads on IBM Power. IBM has continued to invest in the infrastructure to drive innovation, drive performance, efficiency, security.
The fact that IBM owns the machine, the engineering of it, the operating systems, and all the adapters that go in there means that support is awesome. If you look at the IBM roadmap, nobody has a roadmap for their operating system that goes out a decade to be able to be comfortable and say, I can keep running this machine. I don't have to worry, right? I'm not going to be on a piece of hardware that, oh, wait, sorry, we're discontinuing that. Please find another solution. That's really the key for me.
We're not just a company selling a solution. We're a company that has deep roots in the IBM community. We're a company that has IBM champions. We're a company with decades of experience, and we know how to make it work for you.
Not only does Service Express participate in the community, for example, Common and Lug and other local users groups are all over the country and Europe, Service Express even runs its own conference, and it's free. We show off our expertise.
A good partner is going to be willing to have hard conversations and help move them down a path that's more innovative, that's going to drive more value, allow them to scale their infrastructure.
And I've seen so many partners do it wrong because they don't offer comprehensive solutions. They're pushing you another box. Can we get you an upgrade from Power 9 to Power 10? And as soon as that thing hits the floor, along with the invoice, they're gone.
We really want to create a customized solution for our customers that really help them get what they need to maximize their spend, maximize their performance, and really impact their business and their users.
Customers can buy from any IBM certified business partner. The reason people buy from Service Express is because Service Express offers tremendous value around that business partner status. Our ability to design the right solution, our ability to implement the solution for you.
Especially in the IBM Power space, we've got the whole solution from selling you a machine to maintaining the machine to migrating, upgrading, put it in the cloud. It's almost unlimited what Service Express can help you do.